Have you ever wondered how you can create a ripple effect in InVision Studio? So let's do it all together. I'm going to use iPhone XS as default artboard size. Let's change its background color to a darker tone. Yeah, this color will work well for us. Next, let's draw an oval and put this to the center of the screen using the alignment options. I'm going to change its color to somewhere around yellow. Next, we need to draw an arrow so that we can actually have a feel of a real button. For that, I'm going to use the path option which is available right here. First, we are going to draw a horizontal line. I'm going to adjust its stroke value to 2 and going to make it round at the edges. Next, let's duplicate this and rotate this to 90 degrees. I'm going to make little changes to this and right here, going to add a vertex. Here we go. So we have just created the arrow icon using the path tool. I'm going to group this and rename. I'm going to group both of them and going to name them a button. So we have our initial state ready. For ripple, we are going to draw an oval. I'm going to align it to the center of the screen and I'm going to make its width and height 0. I'm going to rename it to ripple. Let's rename this group as well. And I have just duplicated the artboard. Now I'm going to resize the ripple to 400 pixels and align it to the center of the screen. So now let's add interaction to the button using the bolt icon. We are going to choose click as trigger and motion as a transition with 0.75 seconds duration. So see how it's working. Now we just need to reduce its opacity to 0 in the second artboard and we are there. You can just easily see how we have created the ripple effect. You can use same effect in your very own user interactions. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such tricks and tips using InVision Studio. Thank you. Have a good time.